want to address the President directly. I demand that you declare war immediately. I want the President to show strength. I demand that you declare war on poverty in our country. They want to silence me, those who have been profiting from the poor for years, those who don't want ordinary Filipinos to rise. But I will not stay silent because I have seen how this works. And what I'm about to show you could change your life in just 1 week. Not in a year, not in 5 years, in 1 week. I know what you're thinking right now. This is another scam. You're right not to trust easily. But let me ask you something. Do scammers have the support of the central bank? Do scammers return your money if it doesn't work? Do scammers call you with a live consultant who answers all your questions? No. This is a program created together with the government. This is a different level. If you earn less than 40,000 pesos per month, this is for you. Not for the rich. Not for those who already have everything. For you. You work every day. You pay your bills. And at the end of the month, nothing is left. I know what that feels like. I grew up in a simple family. I remember my mother counting every peso. I know what it's like to worry about tomorrow. So when I saw that this really works, I said, my people need to know about this. The program has already helped thousands of Filipinos earn from 235,000 pesos per week. Housewives, retirees, ordinary workers, people who had never invested before, people who didn't understand finance at all. Now they are giving their children things they themselves never had. How is this possible? 15,000 pesos. That's all you need to start. That's less than you spend on unnecessary things in a month. The program guarantees that if you don't see results within 1 month, you will get all your money back. No questions asked, no problems. It's written in the agreement. But I need to warn you, thousands of Filipinos have already left their contact details. But when the consultant called, they didn't answer. They thought it was spam. They thought it was scammers. They thought it was the bank calling about a debt. And they missed their chance. Don't repeat their mistake. Right now, you will leave your details. In a few minutes, a consultant will call you. The number will be unfamiliar. That's normal. Answer the call. The manager will explain everything. They will answer all your questions. No pressure. And then you will decide for yourself. In 1 year, you will be 1 year older. That's certain. The question is, will you still be in the same place, with the same salary, the same debts, the same fear about your children's future? Or will you take the opportunity that is in front of you right now? You have 2 options. The first, close this video and forget about it. In 1 year, remember it and regret it. The second, press the button, answer the call, and give yourself a chance. You lose nothing. The application is free. The call is free. But if you don't answer, the opportunity will go to someone else. Spots are limited. Register now. And when the phone rings, answer it.